Why do humans sneeze? One day, Max was walking outside and suddenly sneezed loudly. He wondered why people sneeze.
Luna, why do we sneeze?
Luna began to explain what happens inside the body when we sneeze.
Sneezing happens when something irritates the inside of your nose, and your body tries to get rid of it.
Max was curious why sneezing is so powerful.
But why is a sneeze so strong?
When you sneeze, your body uses a lot of muscles to push air out quickly.
Luna explained that sneezing is the body's way of cleaning the nose.
Sneezing helps clean out your nose by getting rid of dust, pollen, or anything that bothers it.
Max learned that things like dust and pollen can make us sneeze.
So, dust and pollen are what make us sneeze.
Exactly. When these tiny things get into your nose, your body wants to get rid of them.
Max was curious about how we can protect our noses from sneezing too much.
Is there a way to stop sneezing so much?
Yes. You can cover your nose or avoid places with too much dust and pollen.
Luna explained that sneezing helps protect the body by getting rid of germs.
Sneezing is also a way for your body to get rid of germs and keep you healthy.
Max learned that covering your nose and mouth when sneezing helps stop germs from spreading.
So, covering my nose and mouth helps stop germs from spreading?
Yes. It keeps everyone around you healthy.